Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert your Excel tables to your Word document, okay? So as you can see right there, I have a table, a sample table for you guys for discussion purposes. And right now, I'm just going to control everything and then click this home button. And as you can see, there's a copy button right there. Now, alternatively, you can just highlight everything and click Control C. As long as you see those zigzag or continuous lines right there, or rather broken lines, you're good to go. And then open any Word document, blank Word document if I may, and simply click on Control V. Now, second option is going to be clicking your right mouse or right button and then look for the paste option, okay? This is the paste option. Now, here's the thing. There is a lot of paste options right there. For example, paste as it is or paste as keep text only. Now, since this is an Excel table, I strongly suggest using this option, which is keep source formatting, okay? And that's it. Actually, that's how you insert your Excel tables to your Word document, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.